Welcome to the Wong Reviewer. My name is Will, where I do tech unboxing, tech reviews, and tech tutorials. And today's episode, I am reviewing the Lightning port Movo condenser microphone, which I have attached to my iPhone 12 Pro Max here. So just a note, Movo did reach out to me and provided this unit for me for review for free. And even though it did get it for free, all the opinions expressed in this video are my own. And I also want to thank you for the partnership and also sending this awesome Movo hat that says creators wanted. So if you do want to know more about Movo products, check out their website, and I'll leave it in the link description below. In today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing and review of the Movo 5A condenser microphone. So now we're going to unbox the Movo MA5L miniature condenser microphone. And this one's specifically for Lightning port devices, so it's compatible with your iPhone, iPad, or iPod, as long as it has a Lightning port on it. And on the back, it just talks about what Movo is about. Let's open it up here. So you have, if you're happy or you're sad, customer feedback, Movo creators wanted sticker, and then instructions books on how to use the Movo. So here it is. It comes with a nice kind of neoprene case here. I have no problems checking this into my backpack and know that the Movo microphone is safe. And the inside, you have the Movo MA5L condenser microphone, and then some extra pockets and zippers, which is nice if you're carrying other accessories like batteries. It's nice to kind of put that in there. It's nice that they had included a case. And then here is the Movo condenser microphone. So again, this is the model MA5L Lightning port adapter. It's nice and small, has a removable windscreen, and here is the condenser microphone. All right, and I like the fact that it's nice and small and portable. Okay, so what we'll do now is we'll take it outside and see how it sounds. I wanted to up my production value in terms of using my iPhone 12 Pro Max to start vlogging and provide more videos on the channel. And vlogging with my iPhone is a lot easier than setting up, my mirrorless camera. So I'm really excited about the sound quality coming from here, and I've been anticipating for this for a while now. So this is my vlog setup. I have a Manfrotto Pixie tripod. I have just a generic clamp that I got from Amazon. And one thing about vlogging is I want to use the back camera of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And the reason why I want to use the back camera is the picture quality is a lot better than the camera that's on the front here. However, I'd never used the back camera to vlog because when I remove the microphone is actually at the front of the camera here. So obviously when I'm talking to the back of the camera like I am right now, the microphone is not going to pick me up very well because it's in the front here, which means I'm going to sound muffled and garbled, and I'll probably hear this in post what it sounds like. And so I will always shoot with the front camera, but when I shoot with the front camera, I'm not happy with the picture quality is, especially in low light. It gets very grainy. So I was excited to pick this up because it now allows me to plug it in. And now I can use the back camera of my iPhone 12 Pro Max with better picture quality. And now it can hear me properly because I can angle the microphone towards my voice here. So I'm super excited, and it should sound a lot better with it on than when I have it off. So I'm going to do another comparison again. So this is me talking to the camera, talking to you, the viewers, with the condenser microphone on. I'm going to take it off now. So this is what I sound like with the USB or the Lightning port condenser microphone off. And I'm guessing I'm going to sound very garbled, sorry. So I'll plug it back in. Hopefully now you can hear me and sound a lot better. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take it back in and review and see how well this sounds like. Here's another tip if you want to vlog with your iPhone using the back camera. Obviously using the back camera, there's no display here for you to see what your shot looks like, if you're in focus, or what the what's being the composition of the video. You can't see it because all you're staring is the back of the Apple logo here. But one of the trick I've learned from watching another video is if you have an Apple Watch, you can use the camera watch on the Apple Watch and you can stream the feed coming from the camera to see if you're focused and to set the composition as well, which is what I'm doing now. And you can actually start and stop the video recording from your watch as well. So that's another tip for you if you're vlogging with your iPhone phone. I just finished editing the video and hearing the comparison between the sound quality using the Movo Condenser microphone versus using the internal microphone of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And I could definitely hear the difference with it on and with it off. And so overall, I would definitely recommend if you're an iPhone vlogger and you want to pair your awesome video with the back camera of your iPhone 12 and pair it with excellent sound quality, then I would definitely get the Movo MA5L condenser microphone. All right, so that concludes my video. If you have any questions or comments about this, please leave it down below. If you found this video helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up, like the video, and consider subscribing to my channel for similar content. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time.